Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Thrift Finds, to the Joy Serenity Hangouts. And today's bag comes with a super cute story of how I actually got this bag. And I'm gonna get into that before the whole bag reveal thing. So, I was, of course, browsing Vinted, as I like to do in my free time. I don't even know how I came across Furla bags. I keep wanting to say Furla. Furla. But I'm talking in English, so Furla bags. And there was this like gorgeous, gorgeous tote bag that had like almost like gold foil, like silver gold foil, and then like this, I don't know, like it's not red, it's not orange, it's not brick, it's just like a beautiful, beautiful color. So why that even came into my field of awareness is because like at the exact same time my mom bought herself a tracksuit, like some sweats that are identical in color. And so I started calling her sweats the Furla pants. And time goes by, no one is buying this bag. I mean, it was just 14 euros. Yeah, it was just 14 euros, but no one was really buying it. The photos were kind of, not the best. And she was just on there. And time goes by, I think it was like 3 or 4 weeks. And during that time, my mom actually said to me that she, in her own time, started calling her sweats, oh, I'm gonna put on my Furla. And as soon as she told me that, I was like, you know what, that settles it. I'm getting this bag. It's gonna be our shared bag. We live in a multi-generational household, so it's not like we have to transport the bag to each other. We can just borrow it from each other whenever we want. And I was like, that settles it. I'm getting the bag. And you know what? The bag came with some massive, massive surprises. So first, let me show you what I got. She is gorgeous. Like she is so damn gorgeous. She has like this type of interior as well. It's more gold than silver, although it does have like silver to it. I just love it because you can really pinpoint it. Now, the main thing that I wanted to share is from the photos, I had zero idea that this was going to be a suede bag because it looked like fabric. It looked like it was going to be maybe a canvas or something. Like I swear I could not tell that it was going to be suede. And of course, when I saw her, I was like, whoa. Like, this is far more gorgeous than anything I could have ever even imagined. And I'm actually so glad that I bought her. She has the little genuine leather stamp in here, the made in Italy stamp in here. I think, like I read that if it just says genuine leather, then it's like their more budget line. If it says made in Italy, it's like the higher line. So I don't know if that's still true. It was true at some point. And I will have to like fix up the suede, but you know what? She's actually in amazing shape. Like she's so good, except for the suede. It has some piling over here, so I will need to shave it. I definitely need to clean it. I need to condition it. And because I don't have many suede products at home, I'm gonna have to wait for a few more days for everything to get home. And the bonus point is I will also now be able to finally clean my Uggs because I have been postponing that for way too long just because I didn't have all of the products that are safe for Uggs. But now, you see, this bag just brought a ton of fun into my life, a ton of more resources into my life as well. And she's just such a good bag because even my mom, if you remember my mom, she likes crossbody bags and not shoulder bags. But even she, when she put it on, she was like, oh yes, this feels so good. Like I cannot even tell you because there is some weight to the bag. The straps just rest so well on the shoulders. She's a dream to wear. She has like perfect size. You can rest your arm on it. She's just incredible. So I cannot wait to get deep into the cleaning. I cannot wait to refresh the suede. It's gonna look so good, I just know, and bring out the colors some more. So yeah, this is her in very good condition, just showing signs that she lived a fulfilling life, obviously. And the lady who had her definitely took care of her. Like you can see, you can see if someone loved on their bags and they just maybe didn't have like all of the resources to actually refresh them, or maybe they didn't have the interest. So yeah, it's just like a little bit black over here. The suede needs some love. And that's it. I'm so excited to dive into this. And I am so excited that my mom and I are going to share this gorgeous bag. And you know what? If she's willing, I'm going to invite her into the video in her sweats. I don't think they're going to be like the exact same color because the color is slightly different here in real life than it was on the photos. But it is still like Furla sweats, Furla bag. And let's keep our fingers crossed that I can get her in here. Currently taking care of the peeling problem with just like a regular razor. I know I should probably get a fabric shaver at some point. And then my brush, just really brushing all of it out. And you know what? It is going fantastic. You can see how much stuff came off this bag, and she's looking so beautiful and refreshed. And we're only like halfway there. We're not even close to done just yet. But it is stunning. Hello. The Furla bag is finally done and she is looking absolutely beautiful. I'm so obsessed. Look at how beautiful this bag is. Oh my God. Like all of the products work like a charm. The nap is nice and soft now and she's just looking fantastic. Like honestly, this just went beyond my expectations. It is insane how good this bag looks. I also did some research, and this was released around 2009 to 2013, somewhere there, and it retailed for around $500 to $600. I couldn't get like the exact number because it depended on the colorway, and I didn't find like for this particular bag the price, but that was kind of the price range. And from what I could find, this was called the Tribe Tote. Some list it as the reversible Tribe Tote in the sense that you can actually like flip this inside out. And I don't know about you, but I would much rather have this as the outside because it's just so stunning. And good news, I did convince my mom. She put on her Furla pants. We did a little montage video, which I'm gonna put at the end of this little segment, and I'm just so happy. I'm mainly happy that I was able to convince her because it looks so good. And yes, this is gonna be our shared bag. It's such a good bag. It's such a good bag. I'm in love. It was such an amazing find, and honestly, I will forever be grateful to my mom's pants, because if it weren't for those pants, I probably would not own this gorgeous, absolutely stunning Furla tote.